So hello everyone, this is Roisha and today I am going to show you my internship project. So let's begin without wasting any time. So the first project is personal branding. In first session of an internship, Suryan sir teach me what is personal branding and how to do personal branding. They told me to make a LinkedIn profile and post your daily achievements. I followed the orders and start to keep posting about my internships project. So as you can see here, I follow the orders and this is my projects. This is an AI video and this is my progress and this is also projects as you can see here. Okay, so the second project is that login page. I use ChatGPT and Emergent for that. The main thing about this login page is that panda, which can really track our mouse cursor, so it feels like that the panda trying to seeing our activities. As you can see here, that can track the mouse cursor. Okay, so that's the part of my second project. So I want to do some smart learning, so I make this website called maths graph visualizer. Okay, uh, the website looks simple. This website can make a graph using an equations. Let me show you how. So this is an equation I already wrote down. I just have to click a plot graph and it will plot the line of that equation. Also I can select all trigonometric graphs here like this equation. If I plot the graph now, as you can see here, this sine graph is already plotted and the colors of both graphs, I mean to say the colors of that line and this wave graph is like different. Okay, so we can easily identify which equations belong to which line. Okay, so this is my third project given by Ira ma'am. In internship, she told us to identify the delivery boy's problem and make a UI design resolving their problem. So, what problem did I scope? I saw that many of customers get a perfect delivery, but they call a customer care and told them that they won't get any right product or they get a damaged product. Most of the time customers gets a refund or like exchange product. Okay, so but a penalty goes always to a delivery person or sometimes a delivery person lost their jobs. So what I do is to add this feature called product verification. So in Blinkit or Zapto, there are a very low amount of packaging like just a paper bag, and where a customer can see the product and the delivery boy can also see the product easily. So in that feature, we just have to click a picture of that product and upload in a portal. On the customer's app, there will be a screen popped up where customer can verify the product. Okay, and also this is optional, so if a customer don't want to show their product, so they can skip it, but after that the customer can't blame the delivery person. Okay, so let's begin. I show you what's my projects. Okay, so this is what a UI looks like. All we have to do is just scan a product, and after scanning a product, I have to take a photo. Okay, let's suppose this pen. Okay, let's click it. Okay, now submit the photo. I submit it and send to a customer. Okay, you can see the page. I send this to a customer. Okay, so this is a customer sites view. Okay, this screen will pop up to a customer site. Okay, so I looked at my product is okay, fine. So I accept the delivery and boom, product like verification successful. Okay, so I want to show you that Ira ma'am also appreciate for that project me. Okay, she really liked that. uh, that's all about my project. I hope you like. So that's my fourth project called Delhi Pollution Report. In that session, Swaroop sir teaches how to make AI avatar videos. So here's my project. I used HeyGen and Morph AI for voice. So you can check out my LinkedIn account where I posted.
Delhi is not choking because of nature. Delhi is choking because of negligence. Every winter, the air turns poisonous. Children cough, old people struggle to breathe, and schools shut down. But the real question is, who is responsible? Politicians blame farmers, weather, vehicles, and people. But they never blame corruption. Funds are released for clean air. But where do they go? Machines are announced, plans are launched, ads are shown. But the air stays dirty. Construction runs without rules. Old vehicles still move freely. Industries break laws by paying bribes. Instead of long-term solutions, we get temporary drama. Instead of action, we get speeches. Pollution is not an accident. It is the result of corrupt politics and careless governance. Delhi doesn't need more promises. Delhi needs honesty, accountability, and real action. Because clean air is not a privilege, it is a basic right.
I hope guys you all like this video. Thank you for watching.